My name is Kendra, and I am American, come from Native American lineage. I began studying nutrition dietetics in the US, in Texas. Studied there for a while, then decided to, change the scenery, and I decided Barcelona seems like a great hub for gastronomy and fine dining. I wanted to combine, the nutrition side with fine dining and bring something to life that was healthy and delicious. So I will be starting my own company, producing and distributing kombucha. Barcelona is just an amazing city. It's so full of life and energy, and it's a hub for the culinary arts. I was getting comfortable with the techniques. I was learning that there were different techniques, that there were different bases of cooking. That was very eye-opening, and I needed that. That was just the basis. I guess the start of the experience was great, getting to know all the other students because they were coming from different places, so that was really enlightening. And it's always great to have different ideas coming from different perspectives and different places. So having something that is sustainable is very important to me. Something that is giving back to the world in some way is also very important to me. It's not just about profits, it's about giving back and making a difference. I think that's what anybody wants.